Hi everyone, welcome to my Nookery. My name is Linda, and today's video we are giving away sock yarn. And with it being July and the summer months, I'm going to be giving away some cotton sock yarn. You know that I have used this sock yarn and I rave about it, so I thought I would share this with my subscribers and let you try and see what you think. It is King Cole 4-ply cotton socks. It is 58% cotton, 38% polyamide, 4% PBT, 399 yards and 365 meters. It's a really nice yarn. It washes really well. And yeah, for summer socks I would say you'd get at least 2 shorties out of this. I know I do, but as you all know, I've only got little dinky feet. So yeah, the colour is crimson. It's like a tomato red. So you get that. You get a 3mm 9-inch circular needle, and you get some stitch markers. The word I want you to write is red. You need to be 18 years and over. All the links, all the rules and regulations are in the description box below. You need to be a subscriber of my channel, 18 years and over. This is worldwide. Leave a comment with the word red in. And this work starts today, this starts today on the 10th and it closes on the 15th, and I'll announce the winner on the 17th. So yeah, so I do rave about this yarn, and it's so soft on the feet as well. And I know that some of you would like to knit socks, but not with wool, because you can't, you're either allergic to it or you don't like the feel of it. But I can't recommend this King Cole sock yarn enough. So to be in with a chance to win, right, leave a comment with the word red in, and I'll see you all next time. Good luck everybody. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.